Have you ever designed something that looked amazing on your computer screen, only to be left heartbroken when you saw the printed version? Your vibrant blues turned dull, and that sunshine yellow looked more like a pale lemon. What happened? It's the battle of the color systems, RGB versus CMYK. Understanding these two systems is like unlocking the secret code to consistent and vibrant colors, whether on screen or in print. Imagine baking a cake. The recipe on your phone glowing brightly is like RGB, the actual cake made with real ingredients is like CMYK. Both are delicious in their own way, but you can't expect them to look exactly the same. So, let's dive into the world of color and understand why our screens and printers speak different color languages. RGB stands for red, green, and blue, the primary colors of light. Think of your computer screen, your phone, even that giant LED billboard in Times Square. They all use RGB to create the dazzling array of colors you see. These devices have tiny pixels, like little light bulbs that emit red, green, or blue light. When these colored lights mix, they create all other colors. Want yellow? Combine red and green light. Need magenta? Mix red and blue. RGB is like a magician, conjuring up millions of colors from just 3 primary lights. It's the language of the digital world, where colors are bright, luminous, and seem to glow from within. Now let's step into the tangible world of print where CMYK reigns supreme. CMYK stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and key, black. Unlike RGB, which mixes light, CMYK works with ink. Imagine these inks as little color sponges, each absorbing a specific part of the white light hitting the paper. Cyan absorbs red light, magenta absorbs green, and yellow absorbs blue. When these inks mix, they create other colors by subtracting light. Want green on paper? Mix cyan and yellow ink to absorb the red and blue light, leaving only green to reflect back to your eyes. Black ink, the key player, adds depth and contrast. CMYK is the language of magazines, books, and that beautiful photograph you just printed. Here's where the confusion arises. The range of colors RGB can create is much larger than what CMYK can achieve with ink. Remember that bright neon green you used in your design on screen? CMYK might struggle to replicate that same vibrancy on paper. It's like trying to explain the taste of a mango to someone who has never tasted it. Some things just get lost in translation. This is why it's crucial to design with CMYK in mind when creating for print. Use a color chart that shows both RGB and CMYK values and opt for colors that translate well across both systems. Think of it like packing for a trip. Choose outfits that look good both in your suitcase, RGB, and when you wear them out, CMYK. Remember, understanding the difference between RGB and CMYK is key to ensuring your designs look as stunning in print as they do on screen. In conclusion, both RGB and CMYK have their unique strengths and are suitable for different purposes. Use RGB for digital designs such as websites, social media graphics, and digital advertisements, where vibrant and glowing colors are essential. On the other hand, use CMYK for print materials like brochures, business cards, and posters, where accurate color reproduction is crucial. Gap 3S. By understanding and leveraging the strengths of each color system, you can ensure your designs always look their best, whether on screen or in print. It's like being bilingual. Knowing when to use each language can make all the difference in how your message is received. So, the next time you sit down to create, remember the magic of both RGB and CMYK, and let them work in harmony to bring your vision to life. Your creativity deserves nothing less than the perfect palette. Gap 3S. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making your design stand out. Until next time, keep creating and keep inspiring.